Shut your sirens down. Shut your sirens down. He's shooting. Stand by. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we still don't play on. Hands, bro! Put your fucking hands up! Hands, bro! Hey! Stand by! Stand by! I need a shield! Get the shield out of my fucking truck! Get the shield out of my truck! We need 10-3. He's shooting at us. Stand by. Right, get a mag out of the back of my truck, out of my SWAT gear. Get the mag out of my truck. He has an AR. He's in the house. I need units on the north end of Constantinos. We need to lock this block down. I don't know if he ran up the block or if he went back in the house. Just hold it. Gotcha. Put your arm underneath it. Get your gun out.
Give me a description.
White male. He's a big male, overweight. He's got it's a black AR. He's got jeans on. Guys, you gotta shut your sirens off. Yeah. This one right here, Bob. Go in your house! Go in your... Watch out, he's coming out the back.